Only controlled, inspected livestock moves forward.
Handled with care at every step.
Welcome to our plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how snake meat is made, step by step. Be sure to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory videos.
To achieve this level of suppleness, we use a precise blend of solutions, balancing deep cleaning with careful preservation.
Each batch is refined and tested for durability and quality.
Every piece is carefully inspected before leaving the facility.
And that's how snake leather is made, from start to finish.